Let's clear this up. MBA is not the default safe career path it used to be. I see too many students rushing into CAT coaching, applying abroad, or joining any MBA seat they get without pausing to ask, is this even right for me? So today, we are cutting through this noise. Hi, I'm Indu Ishwarappa, career coach and also the co-founder of Next Moves. And in this session, I'm walking you through everything you need to know about the MBA journey, from exams to colleges to whether this path is truly aligned to your goals. This is not a top 10 list you will forget tomorrow. This is a reality check and a roadmap. MBA has become the go-to plan B, and because of that, a lot of students who don't even enjoy business, management, or leadership roles end up spending rupees 20 to 30 lakhs on degrees they never use. That's why I want you to go beyond which exam should I take and start asking why MBA, which type of MBA fits me, and what do I want from it. Let's go step by step. If you are someone who wants to lead teams, build businesses, or solve real world business problems, enjoy people management, strategic thinking, or scaling ideas, feels drawn to roles in marketing, consulting, finance, or operations, then yes, an MBA can be a great fit. But if your strengths lie in deep research, individual contributor roles, or technical mastery, you might want to pause and explore other routes first. MBA is not a cure all, it's a growth path for the right profile. Now, in MBA, there are three broad paths. General MBA, this is great for freshers or those with 1 to 2 years of work experience. This is also best for students looking for a career switch or entry into management roles. The second one is Executive MBA. This is suitable for working professionals with 5+ years of experience. This is also best fit for people who want to fast track leadership roles within their industry. The third, Global MBA, for those who want international exposure. This is also best for professionals aiming for roles in global firms, cross-cultural settings, or startups abroad. Each of these requires a different kind of preparation and mindset. So don't just follow the crowd, know which one aligns with your story. Now the question is, which entrance exam should be taken and who should take which exam? This is where a lot of students get confused because not every exam leads to the same type of MBA. Let's break this down. CAT, this is for general MBA programs in India. This is best for fresh graduates or early professionals targeting IIMs, FMS, SP Jain. XAT for general MBA again with a unique edge, best for students inclined towards HR, general management, or social impact. Its decision-making section is perfect for problem solvers. NMAT for general MBA and some global tie-ups. Flexible exam format, ideal for students targeting NMIMS or who want more than one attempt. SNAP, strictly for general MBA, perfect for marketing and HR aspirants eyeing symbiosis institutes. GMAT for global MBAs abroad and elite Indian schools like ISB. This is best for professionals with work experience aiming at international or leadership roles. CMAT for general MBA again at AICTE approved colleges in India. Best for students focused on ROI, that is return on investment, friendly programs with GK and innovation sections suiting generalists. So, match the exam to your target MBA type. Don't just sit for whatever is popular. Now let's connect the dots. Colleges aligned with each MBA path. CAT colleges, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, best if you're aiming for consulting, finance, and strategy leadership roles. FMS Delhi, high ROI, perfect if you want to top placements without a huge fee. SP Jain, MDI Gurgaon, excellent for marketing, general management, and operations. XAT Colleges, XLRI Jamshedpur, is India's #1 college for HR, ideal for students who want to lead people and culture. XIM Bhubaneswar, IMT Ghaziabad, very strong for marketing, operations, and general management. NMAT Colleges, NMIMS Mumbai, Metro Advantage, perfect for marketing, finance, and analytics. TAPME, good for mid-management and business analytics roles. SNAP Colleges, SIBM Pune and SEM HRD, strong for marketing and HR. CMAT Colleges, KJ Somaya, GIM Goa, Wellinkar, great choices if ROI is your top priority. GMAT Colleges, ISB Hyderabad, India's best for mid-career professionals. INSEAD, London Business School, NUS Singapore, or global leaders for consulting and leadership roles. Now, if you want to do executive MBA, some of the important points that you need to keep in mind are: if you have a bachelor's degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks or an equivalent CGPA in your graduation, and if you have a minimum of 2 to 5 years of full-time professional experience. Then the entrance exam that are required are GMAT or CAT scores. But remember that a top college is only top if it fits your story, your background and goals. An MBA won't automatically give you rupees 20 lakhs per annum package or a dream job, but it gives you a network, a mindset, and a skill set. What you do with it depends on your clarity on what roles you want, the internships and projects you pick, how well your technical and soft skills are planned and learned. That's why we always recommend, don't just plan for the degree, plan for the journey after it too. At Next Moves, we have worked with students who thought MBA was their only choice, but discovered better aligned paths through our Clarity tools. Aimed for CAT, but realized their deeper interest was in design management, social impact, or data science. Also, they were lost in confusion, but walked out with a 3-year plan that made them confident and excited. The MBA is not the destination. It's one of many vehicles. Choose it with intention. If this session gave you clarity, don't stop here. Download our Career Clarity Toolkit. It includes a self-assessment and a career path to exam map. And if you want structured guidance, join our Career Compass Masterclass led by Preeti Durga, my co-founder at Next Moves. She will walk you through every major career decision point using neuroscience-backed tools and proven frameworks. You don't need more opinions, you need a direction. And that's exactly what we are here to give you. I'm Indu Ishwarappa, and I believe that career decisions should come from clarity, not confusion. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for our more stories and strategies. Let's guide your child not just towards success but towards alignment. I'll see you in the next video.